Answer 3 questions po for Babin Earbuds. Saan country nag-originate yung tradition ng Christmas tree? Hindi po.
I think it's the United States, tama? Mali.
Mali po, sorry. Thank you for trying po. Good day, Babin fam! It's me, Wesley, at samahan niyo kami for today as I surprise random people with Christmas trivia questions. If they got the correct answer, they have a chance to win this Babin Earbud. 3 questions po for Babin Earbuds. Hello po, 3 questions po for Babin Earbuds. Hi ma'am po, 3 questions po for Babin Earbuds. Thank you.
Wala ba clue dyan?
Wala.
Mongolia?
Thank you for trying po. Okay, first question. What country nag-originate yung tradition ng Christmas tree?
Somewhere in Europe. Germany.
Lang, sagot niya! Okay, another 2. How do you say Merry Christmas in Spanish? Feliz Dias.
Feliz Navidad?
No! Do you speak Spanish?
No. Alam ko lang po talaga.
Baka yung sa kanta?
Yes.
Ano yun?
Wala kuya. Kaya naman.
Last question. Saan pinanganak si Jesus?
Bethlehem?
Wala, nasagot niya pa rin. Dahil dyan, meron kang Babin Earbuds.
Thank you po sa Babin. Unexpected, nalalakad lang ako at nanalo pa ako ng earbuds. Madadagdagan na naman yung new product ko from Babin. Thank you po.
From Babin po. Thank you po. Here, sir. From Babin po.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you po. And that's it for today's trivia, Babin fam. Don't forget to follow our official accounts and huwag niyo kalimutan na mag-check out ngayong holiday season dahil napakaraming vouchers ang naghihintay. And if you want to win another exciting prizes, abangan niyo kami sa aming next destination.